Okay, so we've done that map of Deb Lavender versus Andrew Koenig. I wanted to look at creating a margin map. Margin over 100. So I'm gonna hit here, I'm gonna equal sign, and then I'm gonna select margin. I'm just gonna divide it by 100. That way we don't even have to change our color scheme. No, we'll do over 1,000. And watch this. This is genius. Equals margin divided by 1, 1, 2, 3. Put that down. Now we're going to delete. I'm just going to hit cancel over here. I'm going to hit remove layer. I'm going to write margin versus lavender. File over here. Download CSV. Going to put it down here. And then now we're going to go back here, refresh. Go to home, desktop, margin, click that. I'm going to go to this, hit joins, plus sign, field 1 with precinct, hit OK, symbology. And then we're going to go over to fields and values. I'm going to delete this. That's wrong. Fields and value. No, yeah, fields and values. And then I'm going to hit all the wrong things. Fields and values. And then I'm going to hit way down at the bottom. Should be this one. Yep. Command C. Hit OK. We're going to paste it here. We're going to hit OK. And I think this does a better job of showing why this race was so close. As you can see, a lot of these once really red precincts get a lot lighter. A lot more people in Kirkwood than Lone Elk Park. Obviously still not enough people in Kirkwood for Deb Lavender to win. But that's how margin maps can be done without even having to change your style that you use. So I'm going to show one more application that we can use here. That swing map that I was talking about. So I didn't go through making it again, but what I did is I copied the Biden % margin, and then I did it again with Nicole Galloway. So I'm comparing the governor's race to the presidential race. So I'm comparing Biden and Galloway's margins. And in that way, I'm also comparing Donald Trump's and Mike Parson's margin, because we're just doing the 2 main candidates for each election. So anyway, so for the equation here, I don't know if it shows up. Yep, I subtracted Biden. I subtracted Galloway from that. I also wrote that on top. So that's how we got that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and download that, comma separated value. We're going to put that in here. Then we're going to go to Q2. And we're going to do new project. Home. Desktop. You know the drill. We're going to do the shapefile again. Double click that. And then we're going to go 5, this one here. Double click that. And double click this. Head over to joins. The plus sign. We're going to line up precinct with precinct. We're going to hit OK. We're going to head over to symbology. Load style. And for this one, I'll supply, again, I didn't make this one. Someone else helpfully made it. Style. Or we'll do 2-point gradient. Again, I'll share this. Oop, graduated. Okay, let's go over to expressions. And let's do fields and values. That's not right. Delete that. And we'll do our last column. Biden minus Galloway. Command C. Hit OK. Command V up in value. Hit OK. Blue being Biden. So I think generally we can look at this not necessarily in a redistricting sense, but just in an election sense. A lot of times the president does better, especially in counties that are shifting towards the party that the president is part of. So people tend to shift their vote towards a certain party at the highest levels before they do the local levels, because they might be attached to their local politicians. So like you can see Biden running significantly ahead in Kirkwood. We can open up the street map just to give us some context. If you'll remember from one of the videos where we added that in. Let's go in here and let's go to symbology. We're going to go in here. We're going to go to opacity. I'm going to take it to 50% because I can. 50% roughly. Take these down, it doesn't matter. I just hit OK. Again, paste our equation. Hit OK. That might be a little light. But anyway, you can see generally the areas that are shifting Democratic are going to be in blue. This is where Biden did better, and areas that are shifting more Republican are probably going to be in red, areas where Nicole Galloway did better. So yeah, that's just one more application that we can use, or one more way that we can apply our new skills. Thank you.